LED pocket flashlight. Thin, elegant, powerful, compact, convenience-packed into a slimline, bright white flashlight. Effortless push-button control operates with click action ease. Precision crafted, high-grade aluminum construction. Replaceable AAA battery included. Use lanyard on wrist or to hang. Flashlight for working and easy to locate. Storage. Micro plus X greater than 9-inch-11. Pliers 2. Wire cutter 3. Wire stripper 4. Wire crimper 5. Number 1 flat screwdriver 6. Number 2 flat screwdriver 7. Number 1 Phillips screwdriver 8. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver 9. Bottle opener screwdriver. Fold out with ease. Change tips in seconds. Solid stainless steel. Swivel tool greater than 8-inch-1. Unique patent pending design. Heavy duty bottle opener. Straight edge knife. Nail file. Nail cleaner. Flathead driver. Bright LED flashlight. Keychain. QRICK release. Rugged construction. Solid stainless steel tools. Micromax greater than 19-inch-11. 1/4 inch X wrench 2. 7/16 inch X wrench 3. Number 0 flat screwdriver 4. Number 1 flat screwdriver 5. Number 2 flat screwdriver 6. Number 0 Phillips screwdriver 7. Number 1 Phillips screwdriver 8. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver 9. Pliers 10. Wire cutter 11. Wire stripper 12. Wire crimper 13. Nail file 14. Hand drill 15. Bottle opener 16. Inches ruler 17. Inches ruler extension 18 mm. Ruler 19 mm. Ruler extension tools. Fold out with ease. Change tools in seconds. Solid stainless steel. Micro slim greater than 9-inch-1. Amazingly versatile. This is the lightest and most compact flat wrench set you can ever hope to find. Also includes always handy number 0 and number 2 flat screwdrivers, number 1 Phillips screwdriver, precision ground straight and serrated knife blades, easy open bottle opener, and personal care nail file. Solid stainless steel securely locks onto keyring. Quick release mechanism. Unique notch decent provides the kind of snug fit that only a flat wrench can. Fits 23 bolt sizes.